Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain this topic, the address by Marga Minko. On the basis of these 5 points, you can see, and thereafter the concept will be 100% clear before you. First point is theme of the story. Whatever the theme of the story, the theme of the story is based on the war in which narrator participated, and when the war was over, then she came back and found that everything was missing in her life which were related to the past life. So this is the theme of the story. Next point is major message of the life. Major message of the story. The real message of the story: the time is constant changing in the human life. It is not equal always in human life. So we should wait for the time, and we should respect the time, and we should move according to the time. Because once a time, when narrator's mother was alive, then there was a very comfortable time for the narrator. But when she came back after the war, when the war was over, thereafter she reached in very pitiable condition, very crucial condition, and she was feeling too much pain during that time. So in the life of narrator, time was not same. So she is indicating through this point. Next is significant of the title. What is the significant? What is the importance of the title? The entire story moves through the particular topic, the address, particular title, the address, because whatever the address given by the narrator's mother's friend, Marconi Street number 46, narrator visited 2 times. In first time, she was not success, but second time, luck played in her favor and she succeeded there. So this is the concept of the significant of the title. Next point is, fourth point is important lesson which we learn. Whatever the lesson we learn through this story is that we should prepare for the life. It means we should not believe in past, we should not believe in future, we should believe in present. And past, whatever the past means, whatever the time passed away in our life, we should forget that things, means all the incident. And future is completely uncertain, future is not clear, anybody future is not clear. So we should not be worried for the future, we should live in present and do the work better in present. If we are doing better in the present, then our future will be automatically better, undoubtedly better, and we should not think very deeply about the future, because our future is completely depend on our present. Next point means, fifth point is selfish nature and behavior. Means everybody knows this very well. The selfish nature of the human is the main cause for the pain of human life, for the trouble of human life. If the person is selfish, he or she will suffer in the life, and due to that person, others person will also suffer in the life. So selfish nature, the word selfish nature is indicating to the nature of the narrator's mother's friend. In beginning, she told that, she said that she will help the narrator, in the time of trouble. But when narrator reached to her mother's friend house, in that case she was unable to recognize. She pretended, she refused to recognize the narrator, and when she recognized after a few moments, then she told that, I am sorry that I am not able to help you anymore. So this is indicating the selfish nature of and behavior of the narrator's mother's friend. So student, by this way I try to explain this particular topic, the address, written by Marga Minko, on the behalf of this point, on the basis of this point. And this story is indicating that absolutely we should never believe in past. Whatever passed away, we should forget in our life, and we should move further, we should move forward in our life and do present better, believe in better, live in better, means live in present life. Then our future will be sure and certain better. That is the main particular themes of this entire story which I just